We are bad people, okay? We do bad things. Are you Where are you running to?
You.
Can you tell whose tent is this one?
That's Uncle Gilla.
Uncle Gra's tent. And then whose tent is this one?
Teddy and Lasso.
And the next one?
Alice.
And this is the rest of the crew right here. This one is eating kiata right here.
Love my village life.
Hello guys, we are here camping.
Because my breakfast for two nini do. Sa
There, oh.
Mugati munduti.
Okay. How are you?
Making cereal.
Making cereal. Oh, go, guys, washing. We are doing our devotions, morning devotions at the camp. It's very important to know the character of this God, to know the attributes of this God, to know who this God is, so that you follow him.
First verse was 1 Samuel chapter 15, verse 29. It says, "He who is the glory of Israel does not lie or change his mind. For he is not a human being, that he should change his mind."
Yeah, so he is not a human being. We can see three things: that he's not a human being, he does not lie, he does not change. What does this verses mean? God does not lie, right? So God does not change. That's the two important features or the characters of God. And then another thing also is not a man, it's not a human being. Okay, now let's go to respond. What can I do with this? What he's saying?
Yeah, I can trust him because he's not a man.
Very good, that's good.
I'd also say that because he's God and the verse alone says that he's God and he doesn't lie, which also requires us not to lie.
I think because he's God and he's not a lying God, so I'll be able to learn from his teaching.
Yeah, okay. Well, this is a very good response. Very good response. Yeah. I can trust this God 100% that whatever he says, he will fulfill because he does not lie.
You can guys. Yeah, there she is, and she's in the water.
Hi, this is the new guitar in town now, the stringless guitar. Yeah, some people say it's for lazy people, but actually this is for advanced people. If you're still using the traditional ones, that just means you're old school. Okay?
Old school.
Come on. Hello, let's go. Here.
Hey guys, so I am currently at this place. Oh my god, I need to get this. This is so cool. How do I turn it over?
Well, whatever you want to keep.
So yeah, I'm just currently out and about.
Just some dry mangoes.
This is Rebecca.
Oh my god, no.
The quality is so nice. No, I need to get this.
Cameras are making that.
But it makes you look weird, like it brings your face like.
What? Run! But it's right in your face.
Hey, that's enough.
Well done. Second place. Third place. Michaela. And the last person is Judy.
Look, Baba, do it.
Judy, are you going in?
Look, let Baba do it. You wanna see Baba do it? Yalla, yalla, yalla. We ready? We ready? Uncle say yes, go.
Set. Wait. Nami, wait. You'll get tired. Go back.
Nami, stay. Be careful.
Ready?
Yalla.
Set.
Here.
Go. All right, here. Well done. The look is here.
Nice, boys, nice. Let's go. Yes, the best. Jerry, tell Uncle Robert we needed him, man. Okay? We needed you both.
Look at that.
This thing is very nice looking. You know, even
How about Ringo?
Pepper.
There's no blender to blend it.